Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is your iPhone screen flickering randomly? Maybe the brightness keeps changing or the display looks unstable? Don't worry, this is a common issue and in many cases it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this guide, I will show you quick ways to fix iPhone screen flickering. Let's get started. First, try turning off auto brightness. Sometimes the ambient light sensor constantly adjusts the screen brightness, which can make the screen appear like it's flickering. Here's how you can turn this off. Open the Settings app, tap on Accessibility, and then tap on Display and Text Size. Now scroll down and turn Auto Brightness toggle off. Once disabled, check if the screen flickering stops. The next thing to try is turning off True Tone. True Tone automatically adjusts the color temperature of your display depending on surrounding light, but occasionally this can cause small display fluctuations. To disable it, open the Settings app, tap Display and Brightness, turn True Tone off. Now use your iPhone for a moment and see if the issue improves. The display zoom feature can occasionally cause display glitches or flickering on some devices. To check it, open the Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness, scroll down and tap on Display Zoom. Now select Default instead of larger text and restart your iPhone if prompted. If the flickering is caused by a temporary software glitch, a forced restart can often fix it. Here's how you can do it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the Apple logo shows up, then release. After your iPhone restarts, check if the display is working normally. Another common cause of screen flickering is software bugs, and Apple often fixes these issues with updates. To check for an update, open the Settings app, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Once your iPhone updates, see if the flickering problem is gone. If the issue is caused by a misconfigured system setting, resetting all settings can help. This will not delete your data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi, display settings, and privacy settings. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and select Reset All Settings option. If the screen is still flickering, the issue might be hardware related. Look closely at your display for cracks in the screen, pressure marks, lines across the display, and flickering only in certain areas. If you notice any of these signs, the display may need repair or replacement. In that case, visiting an Apple store or authorized repair center is the best option. So, these are the ways to fix your iPhone screen flickering issues. If one of these solutions worked for you, let us know in the comments below. And for more iPhone tips, troubleshooting guides, and hidden features, make sure to subscribe to iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.